Guys, enough! Can we continue the news?
Okay. So yeah, he escaped from the prison.
And people are saying he killed someone again.
Flash that lane.
So confidence to hurt his family.
Can we play now? Let's go now.
Sir, can you be honest with us?
Huh? What do you mean?
We noticed something strange about you lately.
Like what?
You're paranoid.
You're not active.
Oh, I think I just need to sleep more.
You're always sleeping early.
Yeah.
Do you have a job? No, I don't have. Maybe it's just tired. We need to go. Don't even think it, Kian. We already know it. Yeah, we hear you.
What's happening? Are you guys okay?
Are you pranking us?
Yeah, guys, that's it.
We heard it. Just talking to someone. He said they want to kill us.
What? My mind is blowing up right now.
He's the killer. Who cares? So what if I'm the killer? Who cares?
We care. Yeah, that is right. We are scared.
We care because you are our friend.
Don't ever call me your friend. Because I never felt that I am your friend.
Why? You are our friend. We're friends since elementary.
I never felt that when I am this friendship.
Well, sorry.
We already called the cops.
And I don't care. See you in hell. And I don't care. See you in hell. Sumigaw na.
Mali!
Guys, we need to go.
Hi!
Don't even feel any. We accept you guys.
Yeah!
Hey, that is certain, man. That fucking bitch.
I'm following Maxine right now. I think she's behind all of this.
Hello, Journey. Do you want me to call the cops right now?
No need, I'll enter.
I'll follow behind you if you're in trouble.